Is she able to pay a $10.4 million judgment?
Oh, no, absolutely not.
Amber Heard's insurance company revealed why they won't help her pay Johnny Depp. When she was accused of defamation, Heard had a $1 million liability policy with New York Marine and General Insurance. Amber Heard's insurance provider, however, claims it won't assist her in covering Johnny Depp's $10.4 million verdict award anymore. Yes, that's correct. But why would the insurance company pull the plug now, when Amber needs assistance the most? Keep watching till the end to find more on it. According to a lawsuit filed in Los Angeles, Amber Heard feels she is entitled to an insurance payout to assist fund the $10.4 million a jury ordered her to pay Johnny Depp. However, New York Marine and General Insurance Company claim they are not liable. When Depp initially sued the Aquaman actress in a Virginia court for defamation in 2019, Heard held a personal $1 million comprehensive liability policy with the New York insurer. The lawsuit claims that when she presented the case to New York Marine and General, they agreed to support her defense but cautioned her at the time that they would not be liable for any rewards. An insurer is not liable for the loss caused by the willful act of the insured, the company expressed in its Friday filing in the U.S. District Court. Heard was forced to pay Depp $8.4 million in damages after a jury found she willfully defamed him in a Washington Post op-ed. This figure includes her $2 million counterjudgment as well. But how did it all came down to Amber owing this much in cash to the famous actor Johnny Depp, also Heard's ex-husband? Well, here's a little backstory. After Johnny Depp sued Amber Heard for $50 million over her 2018 Washington Post article, in which she identified herself as a victim of domestic abuse, the Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard defamation trial got underway. Although Depp's name was not mentioned in the op-ed as the offender, the actor's legal team asserted that the narrative hurt the actor's reputation and hurt his career quite a lot, to the point where Johnny was let go from various production houses. Heard countersued Depp for $100 million, alleging that he had repeatedly attacked her while they were dating. In April 2022, the Fairfax County Court hosted the high-profile trial, which concluded with the former being declared the victor. The corporation asserted that even though Heard had a $1 million liability policy, they are not required to cover the sum under California law if she engaged in wrongdoing or willful misbehavior. The business purportedly claimed that Heard's wrongdoing was both willful and malicious after the verdict. Additionally, Amber Heard is currently embroiled in a legal dispute, this time with her insurance company. The insurer claimed that although initially telling Heard that it would provide legal defense, California law did not oblige it to provide an indemnity for her actions. The jury's factual findings, according to the complaint made by New York Marine and General Insurance Corporate, indicate that Heard's guilt is caused by the willful acts of Heard. In an effort to avoid having to pay Heard any damages as a result of Heard's unsuccessful defense of a defamation case brought by her ex-husband, Johnny Depp, New York Marine and General Insurance co-filed a lawsuit against the Aquaman actor on Friday in federal court. Now, how did the insurance industry as a whole decide to stop operating in Amber's favor? Let us guide you through everything then. The insurance company stated that her legal defense team changed from the one they first chose and that the $1 million policy does not cover willful conduct. The jury's factual findings established that Heard's liability is caused by the willful acts of Heard. Thus, in accordance with California Public Policy and California Insurance Code 533, the policy does not provide coverage for Heard's liability as stated in the judgment order made on June 24, 2022. When it emerged online that Amber had lied about being unable to pay the fine imposed on her by the court after losing the case in her trial against the well-known Pirates of the Caribbean actor, Johnny Depp, people took to Reddit to express their outrage. According to Amber, her finances are as dry as the well. After she claimed to be bankrupt, unable to make any payments, and unable to meet her commitments to various charitable groups, the insurance company stepped forward and refuted her claims. If the insurance companies hadn't sued her and each other to recoup or deny payment for her legal fees and claims, she could have continued behaving stupidly and ignorantly. Unfortunately, it seems to be over for Heard. The pledge agreement says that Heard will donate the money over a 10-year period commencing in August 2016, according to another Reddit post. She hasn't made a payment since December 2018, according to Terrence Doherty, Chief Operating Officer and General Counsel of the ACLU, in a videotaped statement. Heard has reportedly received credit for giving $1.3 million in 4 installments, claims Doherty. Only a portion of the money, however, came from her. $100,000 came from Depp, and another $500,000 came from a Vanguard account thought to belong to Elon Musk, whom Heard met after her breakup from Depp, according to the Clue. Considering that Ms. Heard has maintained her innocence and is a staunch supporter of the needy, her insurance company should have been there to support her. However, it is due to Heard's own ignorance regarding following up on her claims that no one wants to extend a helping hand. Heard might be penniless at the moment after allegedly exhausting her resources in her most recent legal dispute, but the actress might earn millions from her rumored tell-all book. Publishers are purportedly competing for rights to the rumored revenge memoir of the Zombieland actress, and the bidding war reportedly reached a whopping $15 million, as Radar previously reported. Heard considers her career in Hollywood over, according to the magazine, and she is already working on the next blockbuster. Someone close to Heard said, "At this point, she has nothing to lose and wants to spill the beans." Despite her plans, legal expert Dror Bickle warned that if she isn't careful about what she says, she can easily back herself up in court for defamation. Heard must be very careful about what she says about Depp if she intends to talk about this case and her relationship with him in a tell-all statement or book, according to Bickle. Depp and his legal team will read and pay close attention to everything Heard says. If she crosses the line, which is likely, there is no question that she will be hit with another defamation suit and end up right back in court, as illustrated by Bickle. In a crux, the insurance company for Amber Heard argues that the jury determined that the Aquaman actress intentionally and maliciously slandered people. The corporation also stated that it wants the judge to rule that, in accordance with policy and the law, it is not obligated to pay for a portion of Heard's expenses. After a U.S. jury sided with the Pirates of the Caribbean actor in a contentious defamation lawsuit, Heard's attorney Elaine Bredehoft claimed that the actress is unable to pay her ex-husband Johnny Depp more than $10 million in damages. But is there a possibility that people need to believe what Amber claims to have been put through? Hear this out, isn't the constant memeing of Heard, regardless of what she endured or didn't, a type of violence in and of itself? Is social media abuse not a form of psychological assault? Is this not a contemporary witch trial? Heard is routinely mocked and made fun of, treated like a medieval criminal in the stocks as she lists past mistreatment and makes rape claims. Have we forgotten how serious these accusations are altogether? Well, this is a debate for another day. Depp's admirers have predominated the story both online and in person, with groupies lining up overnight to secure one of the few seats in the courtroom and wave at Depp as he enters and exits. As Heard enters and exits the courthouse, onlookers on the street are booing her. Additionally, Heard's insurance provider has stopped working with her and no longer wants anything to do with the actress. Where does Amber stand today, then? Was Amber's decision to drag her failed marriage and her sour relationship with her ex-husband Johnny Depp into the public eye the appropriate one? Given where she is right now, Amber Depp's legal battle with her ex-husband Johnny Depp appears to be totally out of control. That is all for today. Give us your thoughts in the comments below. Will Amber be able to support herself now that her insurance company isn't there to have her back anymore? Don't forget to like and subscribe.